Good evening, guys. I just went ahead and finished the install of the wheel. It went really smooth. A couple of quick little announcements. The GoPro Hero 7 Black giveaway. There's about 80 subs left, so if you're not subbed, make sure you sub and comment on the video and you're entered. All the information for this wheel, you can find it in the description below, and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, here we are. The carbon fiber steering wheel I bought on the old eBay from a seller out in the West Coast. If you like what you see, let me know. I can get you their information, or I'll put a link down below. I have not set eyes on this yet. As you can see, it's still packaged. I did post a picture on my Facebook, and that was of almost an identical one, but it had a red stripe on top. This one has a yellow stripe. But other than that, it should be identical. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this open box, give it a good close look. We'll go to the car, we'll put it in, and I'll give it a review. Feels like it's got a good weight. Oh wow. That is really pretty. Holy cow. That looks really good. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little impressed with the craftsmanship here. The attention to detail is really good. Holy cow. It's very light. Feels so much better than the stock one. Holy cow. So yeah, guys, let's, oh, there's a company right there. You can see it. Let's go ahead and head out to the garage and we'll start doing the uninstall and throw this guy in, and then we'll take it for a ride. See you in the garage. All right guys, out in the garage now. First things first, go ahead and unplug the battery and wait at least 30 minutes to let any capacitors inside the airbag go ahead and completely deplete themselves of any power. I think it's a capacitor. I don't know, something in there, you gotta let it just kind of lose any sort of voltage or something so it doesn't blow up and kill you. So wait at least 30 minutes under your battery. So while I was waiting, I did the easy part and I undid the two little screws behind the airbag, which I'll show you in a minute. I did stop and get a steering wheel puller today. This was 15 bucks at O'Reilly to make my job hopefully easier. We'll see. All right, so right now, so yeah, like I said, the little bolts behind here are a T30. They're kind of awkward, and you can get it off without taking the kick plate off down here by using one of these guys. A little bit of patience. Turn the wheel back and forth so you can get a good angle of approach, and you can get it out with one of these. All right, now this thing should just come on off like so. And, okay, this thing should come off there. Easy day. This is pretty scary. Oh wow, okay. That was uneventful, I guess. Now does this thing just kind of come out? What's the deal with this shit? All right, so that was relatively easy getting this guy off. Maybe a 5-10 minute job. Next thing we got to do with a 21-inch, if I'm not mistaken, is take your main little bolt off here. This is a 21. I do have an impact, so that should make things a little easier. I'll move this guy out of the way for now. I feel like this is overkill, but here we go. Cool if I knew what I was doing here. All right, come on, fucker. Okay, well that came loose really easily. All right, the wheel's on there really. Actually, it's kind of loose already. No shit. I wonder if it'll just come off. I'm not planning on it, but that would have been cool. All right, let's get our puller. All right, got it rigged up here. It took about 5 minutes. This is my first attempt at what Corvette forums and Facebook groups say is the hardest thing to do on a C5 Corvette. So let's see what we can do here. No way, no way. No way is that fucking easy. Holy shit. Alright, internet, you guys are fucking assholes. That wasn't too bad at all. Alright, let me get these little forks, little legs out of here, and we get this ball rolling. Yeah, Facebook groups, you guys are douchebags. Alright. Alright, that was kind of scary how easy that was, to be honest. So, cool, here we go. Can it only go a certain way? Oh, looks like it. See? Did that for nothing. Okay. Cool. Alright, this already feels so much better. Holy shit. That fits the aesthetic of this car so much better. Hope you guys can see that. The red mod, this little guy, the red car. Oh, this thing was cold. It was in my kitchen. It's really muggy out here. Yeah, definitely feeling this. All right, let me go ahead and get this all buttoned up, and I'll be right back. All right, so there you go, guys. That was actually pretty quick. Counting the time I had to wait for the battery to discharge, whatever, maybe 40 minutes. So not too bad, and I'm very happy with the results. Not gonna lie. Hope you guys can see this. It's really good. The craftsmanship is pretty outstanding. I'm very impressed. And I'm not gonna make you guys wait for a real-time review. I mean, it's a static situation. It feels really good. But my next video, I'll let you guys know what I think of it while driving. I just wanted to get this out to you guys as soon as I could. I know a lot of you guys are waiting. And in the description, I will throw where you can find one of these guys. Cool, I hope you guys enjoyed that quick little tutorial and quick little open box and review of this wheel. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Later.